Hola, hola, hello. Os voy a presentar la tarea que tenéis que hacer para esta semana hasta el viernes, ya que las vacaciones son este próximo viernes. Voy a hablar en inglés, pero aquí lo tenéis en inglés y en español. This is going to be a video to explain what activities, what task you have to do for the next week, from Monday to Friday, because Friday we will have our holidays. So this is it. You need to write a PowerPoint. Write a PowerPoint in English where you describe what your life is like at the moment. So you have to make a PowerPoint explaining things about your life at the moment, your present life. Follow the directions ahead and please include plenty of images and especially your own pictures, as I did here with a picture of myself. Well, the first part of your task is to write sentences using the present simple, as for example, we get up at 10:30. We, in my family, I don't have breakfast in the kitchen, because maybe I have breakfast in bed. My brother cooks lunch for the family. This is the present simple, to express your present routines. The second part is the present continuous. For this section, you have to explain different times of your day, and you have to explain what you are doing at the moment. If you don't remember, please go back to your notebook or to your book and find out how to write sentences using the present continuous, affirmative and negative. For example, 11 o'clock I am having breakfast, 6:15 my mom is dancing in the living room, and maybe 20 past 12 my sister isn't sleeping because she is playing. Section 3. Present perfects that you use to express experience. I have written the formula here, and you can also go to your notebook and check. For example, I have studied more than before in these last 2 weeks during my stay at home because of coronavirus. My brother has taken the rubbish out and my grandma has eaten a lot of vegetables. Section 4. Simple past to express finished actions. You have to mention when you did the action in this part. In the previous part, you don't have to say when the action happened. For example, I wrote a composition last Friday. My dad didn't brush his teeth yesterday. Or my brothers played football in the toilet on Tuesday. You have to say when the action happened. Section 5. Predictions for the future. To write predictions, you have to use will and the base form of the verb. For example, shops will sell toilet paper for a fortune, or etc. Students will never go back to school. In section 6, you have to write your plans for the future for your next 2 weeks while you are still in your house. To do so, you need to use this section, this structure. And then you can go to your notebook and your book to check if you're not sure. For example, I'm going to finish my homework before Friday, or my mum is not going to see my tutor. Probably not. Or we are going to paint the kitchen. Yes? Section 7. Conditionals. You have to write conditional sentences. Remember, conditional 1 you can use for probable situations. This is the structure. And conditional 2 you use for dreams. You have 2 examples here. And please try to do the task correctly, and don't forget to include plenty of pictures or photos. You can take photos with a camera, your mobile phone, and include them in the PowerPoint. The mark will be given to you, and I will include it in the 3rd term. so this is an important mark for the third term. Please stay safe, stay at home, and thank you.